Google Pixel 8 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Overall comparison. The battle between Google and Samsung in the flagship smartphone market continues to captivate tech enthusiasts. The latest contenders in this fierce rivalry are the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, two of the most anticipated smartphones of 2024. Both devices bring cutting-edge technology, innovative features, and impressive performance. But how do they stack up against each other? This comprehensive comparison dives deep into the design, display, performance, camera, software, battery life, and more, helping you determine which of these flagship devices is right for you. 1. Design and build quality. Google Pixel 8 Pro. Google has refined the Pixel design language with the Pixel 8 Pro. The phone features a more polished, premium feel with a matte glass finish on the back and an aluminum frame. The back panel houses a raised camera bar that has become iconic in the Pixel series, making the Pixel 8 Pro instantly recognizable. The phone is slightly more compact than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, offering a comfortable one-handed experience, and it is IP68, rated for dust and water resistance. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra retains the bold, industrial design that its predecessors are known for. The device boasts a sleek glass back and an aluminum frame with squared-off edges, giving it a distinctive, premium aesthetic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly larger than the Pixel 8 Pro, which may make it more difficult for users with smaller hands, but its size also adds to its imposing presence. Like the Pixel 8 Pro, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is also IP68, rated for water and dust resistance. Both phones are well built and exude premium quality, but the design comes down to personal preference. 2. Display. Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with a 6.7-inch OLED display with a QHD Plus resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, offering stunning clarity and vibrant colors. The display supports a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Google's software optimization has always excelled in color accuracy, and the Pixel 8 Pro delivers excellent HDR performance, making it a fantastic option for media consumption. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung continues to lead the smartphone display industry with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The S24 Ultra supports an even higher resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, and its refresh rate dynamically adjusts between 1 Hz and 120 Hz for optimal battery efficiency. The display is brighter than ever, with peak brightness levels reportedly exceeding 2000 nits, making it one of the brightest on the market. The curved edges also contribute to a more immersive viewing experience. Samsung's display technology continues to reign supreme, offering higher brightness levels and a slightly larger screen. However, Google's Pixel 8 Pro holds its own with superb color accuracy and HDR support. Display enthusiasts may lean toward the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but the Pixel 8 Pro is no slouch in this department. 3. Performance and hardware. Google Pixel 8 Pro. Under the hood, the Pixel 8 Pro is powered by Google's custom-made Tensor G3 chipset, built on a 4nm process. The Tensor G3 focuses on AI and machine learning performance, optimizing tasks such as voice recognition, photo processing, and real-time translation. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with 12 GB of RAM and offers storage options starting at 128 GB, with higher configurations available. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra packs the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in some markets, or Exynos 2400 in others, both of which are top-tier processors for 2024. These chipsets are designed to handle the most demanding tasks, from high-end gaming to advanced multitasking, with ease. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also offers up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, providing more flexibility for power users. 4. Camera system. Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel series has always excelled in photography, and the Pixel 8 Pro is no exception. The phone features a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP periscope telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom. Google's computational photography prowess is on full display here, with features like super residential zoom and magic eraser continuing to impress. Night sight and real tone ensure that low-light photography and skin tones are accurately represented. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra pushes the boundaries of mobile photography with a 200MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and dual telephoto lenses, 10MP each, offering 3x and 10x optical zoom. The S24 Ultra also excels in zoom performance, reaching up to 100x digital zoom. Samsung's advancements in low-light photography and AI-enhanced photo processing ensure stunning results across various shooting conditions. 5. Software experience. Google Pixel 8 Pro. As a Google device, the Pixel 8 Pro runs a pure version of Android 14, with no bloatware or unnecessary modifications. Pixel devices are the first to receive Android updates, making them ideal for users who prioritize timely software improvements and security patches. Google also includes exclusive features like Call Screen, Hold for Me, and enhanced assistant features that leverage the phone's AI capabilities. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra ships with One UI 6, Samsung's custom skin over Android 14. One UI has come a long way and is now regarded as one of the most feature-rich and user-friendly interfaces. Samsung includes numerous customization options, multitasking features like split screen and pop-up windows, and integration with the broader Samsung ecosystem, such as Galaxy Tabs and Galaxy Watches. Samsung promises 4 years of major OS updates and 5 years of security updates, which is competitive in the Android world. 6. Battery life and charging. Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, providing all-day battery life under normal use. Google's adaptive battery optimizes power consumption based on user behavior, ensuring that the phone lasts longer over time. The Pixel 8 Pro supports 30W wired charging and 23W wireless charging, with reverse wireless charging also available. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also houses a 5,000 mAh battery, but it comes with faster 45W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Samsung's battery optimizations and power-efficient display ensure that the S24 Ultra can easily last through a full day of heavy use. 7. Price and availability. Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro starts at around $899 for the base model, making it more affordable than many flagship competitors. Google's pricing strategy positions the Pixel series as a premium, yet slightly more budget-friendly option in the high-end market. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is priced higher, starting at approximately $1,199. Samsung justifies the higher price with its superior display, more powerful performance, and advanced camera system. However, this price point places it squarely in the ultra-premium category. Conclusion. The Google Pixel 8 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra both represent the pinnacle of smartphone technology in 2024. The Pixel 8 Pro excels in AI-driven features, photography, and providing a clean, seamless Android experience at a more affordable price. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra leads the pack in display quality, raw performance, and versatile camera capabilities.